Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Gatan and I'm going to unboxing my new trailer truck.
Alright.
It's time to unboxing.
Where did you buy this?
In Botany Square.
Botany Square. You
It
like that
says
toys?
remote control tractor. Wait, guys.
Okay.
So
now
this is the remote, and this is the battery and charger, and this is for the lock for the truck. We open it
Alright.
by turning it.
By turning the lock.
Yeah. I want to see there is a battery or not in the remote control. Oh, it already has battery.
How many?
2.
2 batteries.
Yes. We stand the trailer first, and this is snowball. And we are gonna plug this by pushing it.
Okay.
I already learned to open this.
Can you do it?
Yes. A few minutes.
Alright. I'm waiting. Can you show me how to plug?
It's already plugged.
Alright.
It's so hard to close this. Wait a minute, yes.
Alright. Gimana?
This is the on-off. It's already on, so let's just play with it.
Oh, it works.
Yay!
Why don't you put a tank?
The trailer?
Yeah, trailer.
Dulu Gatan pernah punya yang ini, tapi yang bukan remote.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good toys, right?
Dimatiin dulu.
Okay, terus?
Dimatiin dulu ini kameranya. Wow, it works really well.
Oh iya, bagus ya.
Yes. Guys, the video has come to here first, and after that I can make a video again.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.